Uncleaned data doesn't just lead to incorrect answers, it leads to misguided decision too. Missing values, duplicate records, inconsistent columns that no formula can fix. Most analysts spend nearly 80% of their time cleaning data before any real analysis even begins. In our sales data, you can already spot a few things that need attention. Right away, you can make quick fixes, like correcting column types so your data is interpreted properly. For deeper cleanup, just open the Prepare Data panel. With just a click on missing data, we'll apply a filter and choose to keep only the valid rows, instantly removing incomplete records. Next, you can handle duplicates just as easily. Use the Deduplication option to preview repeated rows, then remove them with a click. Need to go further? You can replace columns, standardize formats, and apply hundreds of ready-to-use transformations, all from this panel. And if you prefer a faster route, you can simply ask Zoho. Whether it's merging columns or applying a transformation, Zoho helps you get it done in seconds. Built to keep your data reliable and analysis ready. Clean data is the foundation of every good decision. Stop wasting time. Start analyzing fast with confidence. Start today with Zoho Analytics.